What is going on, guys? My name is Justin Furniel from Push and Profit, and I hope everyone is having a beautiful day today. Now, in today's video, I'm going to be giving my analysis on Tesla. I'm going to be talking about whether Tesla can hit $1,000 in the year of 2020. Now, keep in mind, I am a day trader. For the most part, I do have positions where I occasionally swing trade, where I'll buy something or I'll buy some shares and I'll hold it for a couple of days, a couple of weeks. Maybe I'll hold something for a month or two, but that's not really my strategy. I'm mostly in and out of trades in a day, which is why I mostly consider myself a day trader. Now, the reason I say this is just because I want you guys to see from my perspective of what I see with Tesla. I don't want you guys to take my word as like the holy grail. I want you guys to see why I see value in the things that I am saying, and of course, be able to form your own opinions on what you guys see. So today is January 22nd, 2020. Tesla actually just hit a new high of $594 per share, which actually just broke a threshold of $100 billion in market capitalization. Now, if you could see, there is this chart right here by Motley Fools. It's actually dated by a couple of days. This was released on the 17th, where Tesla was at $92 billion for market capitalization. But again, like I just mentioned, it just broke that threshold of $100 billion. So it's up there with the bigger companies like Apple, Google, Amazon. Just really just passed Ford and General Motors, which is crazy because Tesla is a fairly new company. So all time high, everything's amazing. So do I believe Tesla can hit $1,000 in shares in 2020? I certainly definitely do see it going towards that direction. But one thing I want to keep in mind is for people that hold long term or people that swing trade, it's always just good to keep an eye out, like on where to take your profits, when to sell. And that's just really just vital in any type of trading, whether you're a day trader, swing trader, because something that I do fear is people kind of just holding on to a stock thinking it's just going to go to the moon and forever go up. And, obviously that's not the case. Now, I do agree that holding long term, is definitely, it could work out. But at the same time, I don't like to be too optimistic. I like to just take my profits because in my eyes, you never lose when you take your profits, right? And if you just take your profits, and if it still keeps going up, wait for a dip and come back in, right? Now we're just gonna look at Tesla. So right here we're looking at the 4-hour chart, and for anyone that might ask, I am using the TD Ameritrade Thinkorswim platform. This is my main platform that I use to day trade. I do use Webull for swing trading and stuff like that. So if you're interested in using Webull, I do have a link in the description below where you can get like 2 free stocks. But that's mostly where I do my longer term investing. But again, on TD Ameritrade, I'm a day trader, and so something about Tesla, if I'm gonna enter a trade for Tesla for a longer term hold, whether it's a swing trade or I'm just gonna be a long term investor, I'm definitely gonna wait for a dip, because obviously if it just hit an all time high, I don't really see it going higher before it obviously comes down. Everything things have supports and resistances. They go up, they go down. So if I'm gonna go into Tesla right now, I'm really just gonna be looking at this area right here for an area of opportunity. Once Tesla dips in this range, that's definitely where I'm considering picking up some shares to swing trade. Now, is that something you should do? No, obviously, just you guys choose what you guys see value in. And does that mean that Tesla is going to even hit that? Absolutely not. Tesla could just be amazing and just keep going up. So I actually have recently missed a lot of opportunities with Tesla, mainly just because, again, like I am someone that swing trades and mostly day trades. So I'm waiting for those opportunities to go down. And if you could see on this 4-hour chart, there really hasn't been a lot of opportunities where Tesla went down. Tesla just kept going up all these days. There was a dip here, kept going up, there was a dip here. So there really hasn't been a lot of opportunities to get in at a good price. But again, I just want people to not be too optimistic. Although I do agree that Tesla can have the potential to reach $1,000 in 2020, I do want everyone to keep in mind that definitely consider where you're buying in. You don't want this to be like the Bitcoin bubble, where people saw Bitcoin just keep going up and up and up, and they eventually bought Bitcoin at 20,000, and then Bitcoin just instantly dropped to 3,000. Now, is Tesla going to be that volatile? I highly doubt it. But again, it's just a learning lesson. I definitely don't want anyone to buy at the top and sell at the bottom, because obviously the goal is for everyone to be profitable. But yeah, Tesla is up there with those bigger companies now, with Apple, Google, Amazon, and it definitely is a pioneer in electric cars. I think electric cars are going to be more popular throughout the more, recent years coming, or forward years going forward. And that's just my opinion on it. Now, again, like I said, I could be right, I could be wrong. I just want people to definitely consider when they're buying in. And again, I'm going to make this a short video. That's pretty much all I really had to say when it comes to Tesla. Now, if you guys want me to drop more videos like this, definitely leave a comment in the comment section below. If you guys appreciated anything in this video, or if you think I earned your thumbs up, definitely hit that like button. Also, feel free to hit that subscribe button, click the bell notification, and watch me how I day trade. Now, today I only traded for 10 minutes. I day traded for 10 minutes. I'm just going to give a quick recap on today. It was a very short day. I made $43 on you guys. Again, nothing extraordinarily crazy. Again, it was in 10 minutes, and then I did make $5, basically around $6 trading SPY. And that's just my strategy. I'm in and out. Again, like today I was really busy with other things, so my day trading wasn't as profitable as I would like it to be. Yesterday I did execute a trade where I did close out a position with Beyond Meat, which is the ticker is BYND. I was able to make a profit of 1,400. But again, this was not a day trade. This was something that actually, I bought in and I ended up selling at the top over here. And I just want people to kind of take that same, strategy and apply that to Tesla. Again, you don't want to buy at the top. You want to be able to wait for that opportunity where it goes down and buy up. Because I don't want people to be too optimistic where they're like, okay, Tesla is going to hit $1,000. Let me just buy at any random point. You're not going to be profitable like that. You may get lucky, but again, that's not going to happen too often. But again, I'm just rambling on. That's pretty much it. My name is Justin Furniel from Push and Profit, and I hope everyone has a great rest of your day. Thanks for watching. Peace.
Perfect. Perfect.